Ho ho ho, welcome to Santa's factory.
It's December and we're just 25 days away from Christmas. Now our factory has upgraded. Not only carry toys, but we carry more items like Christmas themed ornaments, decorations, so many letters and stickers, party supplies. Oh, we got a letter for packing? Okay, let's open it. Read. That's from Adam. Dear Santa, I got this letter reaches you in the North Pole. My name is Adam and I'm 10 this year. I'm so excited for Christmas. Everything feels magical and I love seeing all the lights and decorations. My family is planning a big Christmas party and I wish you come please. Oh, how sweet of you, Adam. We will have lots of yummy food. If you're too busy, I understand. Love, Adam. We'll leave gingerbread cookies for you. Oh, wow, how sweet, Adam. Come, let's get packing your gifts. Yeah, we definitely need a big box and start packing. Let's choose the big one. Let's start off with some Christmas costumes for you, so we can get some work going. We definitely need this Santa hat for you. We have the kid stars. Okay, let me bend. Oh, Dick. They have a small F. Oh, it's for kids. My bad, it's for kids. I'll give you a fluffy one. Maybe one of these two, though. Looks so cute. You can be a little snowman. You definitely need a headband. Let's get you something like mine. And we got costumes for you to rock the party. Okay. Cool, yeah. I'm thinking, maybe, hold on. Oh, golly. What? Oh, golly. There's our two options. Which do you want? I'm thinking let's go with Mini Santa so you can be my junior. Getting a little full right now.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
I still want to pack more stuff for you, especially the Christmas decorations you love. So why not I go to your house personally and decorate your house all of it. Instead of a bag, let me get a stuff. I put all stuff in. So much stockings here. Let me choose the biggest one. If this absolutely big giant stocking that will definitely fit your gift. Yep. How's that? Wait, sorry. How's that? Oh, relax. This is a good find. I shall put this on when I visit you if I have the time to. Let's go on to fill this with Christmas decorations. Maybe we need some garlands. We need some ornaments. This is good. It's like the same. Cap a bit tight, yep. And you have to get it in the front too, yeah. We need this wreaths to hang it on the door and welcome the Christmas spirit. Ah. Oh, okay, let's get you a little one and sit. They need wrapping paper as well, right? Feel exactly like my dear. I'm sure you love this. Let me chip more.
We need more to decorate the pose. Orange!
More! Listen up, we need this. Now, maybe something sparkling so I can see you from the stage. You know, at our Sand House workshop, we are really famous for woodwork. You definitely need one of these. Maybe my favorite cookie. How about something you can build and paint as well?
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Why? What else should we get? Yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh, another letter. Yeah, another letter. Oh, let me. Elf, send this for delivery. Let's see what this letter says. Dear Santa, share iPad and Xbox.
was ice cream. I would eat it every day. Every day.
Oh, ice cream. Mr. Claus. Ice cream.